Section 28. This section of law relates to the types of sentences that can be passed by different levels of judges in the Indian legal system. Subsection 1 states that a High Court, which is a superior court in the Indian legal system, may pass any sentence that is authorized by law. This means that a High Court has the authority to impose any type of punishment that is legally allowed. Subsection 2 states that a sessions judge or additional sessions judge, which are lower-level courts in the Indian legal system, may pass any sentence authorized by law. However, it is also specified that any sentence of death passed by these judges must be confirmed by the High Court. This means that the High Court has the final say on whether or not a death sentence should be carried out, providing an additional level of review and oversight. Subsection 3 states that an assistant sessions judge, which is the lowest level of judge in the Indian legal system, may pass any sentence authorized by law, but there are some exceptions. An assistant sessions judge is not allowed to pass a sentence of death or a sentence of imprisonment for life or a term exceeding 10 years. This means that the most severe punishments that an assistant sessions judge can impose are a maximum of 10 years of imprisonment. This law is in place to ensure that the severity of the punishment is commensurate with the gravity of the crime, and that the most severe punishments are reserved for higher-level courts who are better equipped to handle such cases and are subject to review and oversight.